Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PlayStation 5 Slim on monitor. Pro guide step. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment. You will need your PlayStation 5 Slim, a compatible monitor, an HDMI cable, and a power source. Place the PS5 Slim in a well-ventilated area near the monitor. Ensure that the monitor is turned off before starting the setup process. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on the PS5 Slim. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an available HDMI in port on your monitor. Next, plug the power cable into the back of the PS5 Slim. Connect the other end of the power cable to an electrical outlet. Now, turn on your monitor. You may need to adjust the input source to the HDMI port connected to the PS5 Slim. Press the power button on the front of the console to turn it on. You should see the initial setup screen on your monitor. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language. Connect to your Wi-Fi network when prompted. Enter the Wi-Fi password if required. Once connected, the system will check for updates. Allow any updates to download and install. After the updates, you may need to sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Create a new account or select an existing one if necessary. Proceed to adjust the display settings according to your monitor's specifications. You can choose between standard, game, or performance modes. Finally, customize any additional settings including audio preferences. Your PlayStation 5 Slim is now fully set up on your monitor. You are ready to enjoy gaming on your PS5 Slim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.